Guys, kasya kung kasya. Kung technicalities lang naman yung usapan, kasya. Hindi nyo na kailangan gumawa ng video para i-prove kung kasya. Kasi kasya siya kung pipilitin. Bili ka ng canned tuna, bili ka ng spaghetti, bili ka ng fruit cocktail. O sige, fine, kasya. Kasi nga 'di ba, resilient tayo. We're resourceful. Kaya mo bang matulog sa bubong pag may baha? Kaya. Hindi yun yung point kung bakit nagagalit ang mga Pilipino. Ang point is, bakit nila tayo ini-encourage maging practical? For Noche Buena, a once-a-year event na sana nag-feast ang lahat. Kasi nagtatalo pa yung mga tao, kasya ba? Hindi kasya naman eh. Gusto lang naman nila maging practical tayo. Ang question is, why? Kanino nang galing yung statement? The statement came from a government official amidst all of these things that are happening right now. Flood control issues, tax issues, and all that. So it's like saying, guys, hindi namin kaya mag-provide ng public transport. Pasensya na, kaya nyo naman maglakad, diba? Oo, kaya kung kaya. But why do we have to? Noche Buena is supposed to be a time of joy, abundance, gratitude. Instead, para siyang Survivor Philippines. O, ang challenge ni Kuya today ay 500 pesos pagkasyahin mo. Problem is being told that we should shrink our happiness because someone else refused to shrink their greed.